Hey everyone. Hey, I wanted to share a few thoughts today about product development. I get to work with some of the world's most exciting and innovative companies. Companies that are on the leading edge of robotics, virtual and augmented reality, or maybe artificial intelligence. And while these companies are quick to innovate and bring new solutions to the marketplace, they're not always quick to adopt the latest technology when it comes to product development. So, companies will try to get by with things like Word and Excel. Maybe they'll even move to newer tools like Trello or Slack or Asana. But what all of these different approaches have in common is the fact that they weren't designed for modern product development. They weren't designed to be able to manage a complex assembly comprised of thousands of electrical, mechanical, and software components, nor were they designed to be able to share that with an extended supply chain, so contract manufacturers and their suppliers. So if you're on the front line of engineering and manufacturing, and you're trying to get by with one of these solutions that was not purpose built for product development or new product development and introduction, I'd like to hear from you, hear what's working, maybe what's not working, and let's see if we can have a discussion and maybe dispel a few myths along the way.